there were a lot of mood swings, my monthly cycles went haywire. तो मुझे लगा शायद मेरा PCOD वापस आ गया है, बट टेस्ट कराए, सब कराया, कुछ भी नहीं था. इवेंचुअली पता चला that I was dealing with depression. Hi everyone, I am Sonam Vaghani. I am 34 years old. I am a makeup artist by profession. I have a 6-year-old kid, and I generally do a lot of bridals and shoots with celebrities. I was always skinny fat. I was never fat to begin with, but I was skinny fat, and I used to go to the gym on and off in my younger years, but I never really knew how to go about the fitness journey properly. So I would go to the gym, do certain things, and not know why am I doing a certain thing. It is only after I delivered that I realized that I was extremely unfit. I was in a very bad shape physically, so that kind of pushed me and kick-started the whole fitness journey for me. So the biggest challenge at that point of time was taking care of my child as well. So I started working out when my kid was about 6 months old, so I started with home workouts. I started to eat slightly better nutrition wise. It is only when my baby was about 1 year old that I started going to the gym, and even then I did not know exactly what was I doing, because I was how do I put this, I बोलते हैं ना अंधेरे में तीर चलाना, तो वैसा कुछ हो रहा था मेरे साथ, क्योंकि पता नहीं था किस लिए मैं क्या एक्सरसाइज कर रही हूँ, क्या मसल ग्रुप वर्कआउट करने की ज़रूरत है, how to engage your muscles when you're doing a certain exercise. So these were the difficulties that I was facing, and I did not even know how to go about correcting them. Well, there are days when काम नहीं होता है, तो फिर everything is fine. I get time to go to the gym, maintain my daily routine. But days when I have work, it gets very very hectic. So अगर मुझे पहले से पता होता है मेरा next day का routine क्या होने वाला है, I make sure that I do my meal prep and I take my food along with me, because on shoots you generally don't get healthy food per se. Fruits होते हैं, but then the meals are not very healthy. So मैं अपना meals खुद से पैक करके लेके जाती हूँ. Even for bridals I do the same. So my pre-pregnancy weight was 52 kilos, and I put on about 16 kilos during my pregnancy. Within the first year I was back to my pre-pregnancy weight, because I took care of the diet and everything. For about 2 to 3 years everything was fine. I was exercising, I was eating healthy, and then all of a sudden मेरे साथ हुआ कि एक साल में मेरा 10 किलो वेट बढ़ गया, और मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, because I was regular with my workouts, I was good with my food habits, but I had put on so much weight. I was eating a lot, I was feeling extremely hungry, so मुझे लगा कि maybe I am working out rigorously, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है. But then धीरे धीरे things started changing physically as well, in terms of my sleep cycle went completely haywire. मैं 24 घंटे में कुछ 3-4 घंटे सोती थी मुश्किल से, वो भी with breaks. It never used to be 3 hours in one shot. So ऐसा कुछ 10 दिन चलता था, और फिर एकदम से the sleep it would accumulate and it would hit, and I would sleep for like 16-17 hours in a day. तो ये सब चीज़ें हो रही थी. I became extremely sensitive to sound and noise, so I could not be around people, and even there were a lot of mood swings. My monthly cycles went haywire. तो मुझे लगा शायद मेरा पीसीओडी वापस आ गया है, बट टेस्ट कराए, सब कराया, कुछ भी नहीं था. इवेंचुअली पता चला दैट आई वाज डीलिंग विद डिप्रेशन. नाउ विद डिप्रेशन द थिंग इज, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यू विल सी only emotional signs and symptoms, but that is not the only thing. With emotional signs and symptoms, बहुत सारे physical symptoms भी होते हैं, either extreme weight loss or weight gain. You will not be able to tolerate a lot of noise and sound. You would want to be alone. You would not want to be around people. You feel extremely lethargic and tired. Your sleep cycle will be haywire. It will be all over the place. So ये सब physical factors, physical symptoms हैं जो लोगों को नहीं पता है about depression, and they apparently deal with it and they go on with their lives thinking, it's just me. So there is a diagnosis. There are about 7 to 8 points that your practitioner will ask you, and depending on that they determine how depressed you are. So if these kind of symptoms persist for more than 2 weeks, अगर 2 weeks से ज़्यादा है, तो you qualify for a diagnosis of depression. So just in case if you are dealing with something like this, please go ahead and see a doctor. It really makes a lot of difference. Busy schedule में honestly I stick to basics now. Dal, chawal, sabzi. I eat a lot of rice. It's because it's easy for me to eat also because I have braces. So on a day-to-day basis, सुबह शाम का meal मेरा will be dal, chawal, sabzi with salad or yogurt. And when I'm exercising regularly, I also take whey protein once or twice in a day. अगर दिन के end में मुझे भूख लग रही है तो generally I would take casein by the end of the day. So generally my morning breakfast is a protein shake which has banana and nuts in it. Lunch would be dal, chawal, sabzi. Evening snack, अगर भूख लगी तो it would probably be a fruit, and dinner would be again dal, chawal, sabzi. So I keep it very simple, and ऐसा नहीं है कि I eat like a small amount. I eat a lot. I can eat a lot. So my meals are big, but I don't eat in between meals as much. In my fitness journey, I actually took some help. There is this account by the name Azad Singh Fitness. He is an online coach, so I went to him और मैंने उनसे क्या बोलते हैं, I took his online training program, and he helped me with diet and exercise. So उससे काफ़ी help मिला मुझे. I lost inches, I put on muscle mass, and I lost fat. So Azad Singh has been really helpful, and he has been one of the reasons why जब मैं plateau कर गई थी, he helped me kick that plateau and get down to the weight. So right now I am 50.1. This is the lowest that I have come down to. It varies. It ranges between 50 to 51, 52, depending on how much I'm eating or whether I'm exercising or not. So Azad Singh, and I've always been inspired by my brother. He is really into not into fitness, but then he makes sure that he would go to the gym and exercise, and all the other women on Instagram, mothers especially, जो everybody who takes out time for themselves and make the effort कि सिर्फ घर का और बच्चों का ख्याल नहीं रखना, अपना भी ख्याल रखना है. So everybody who is basically dedicating some time for themselves is an inspiration to me. मेरे लिए गुरु मंत्र तो यही होगा कि अपने आप को प्रायोरिटी और इम्पोर्टेंस दो, क्योंकि ऑनेस्टली मैं वो करती हूँ, चाहे मेरा काम पड़ा रहे, लेकिन मैं अगर मुझे जिम जाना है तो मुझे जिम जाना है. देयर आर डेज जब आप नहीं जा सकते हो, देयर आर फैमिली कमिटमेंट्स एंड अदर कमिटमेंट्स, वर्क कमिटमेंट्स, बट अगर आपको टाइम मिल रहा है तो प्लीज़ आप वो एफर्ट अपने तरफ दीजिए कि 1 घंटा या 1.5 घंटा या आधा घंटा, अगर जिम नहीं जा सकते तो घर पे वर्कआउट करिए. एंड ठीक है, हर एक के साथ होता है कि मुझे ये खाने का मन है, वो खाने का मन है. मोस्ट डेज अगर आप बिहेव करो और आप अपना खाने पीने का बेसिक ख्याल रखो, अवॉइड शुगर, अवॉइड प्रोसेस फूड, अवॉइड पैकेज फूड, ये सब चीज़ें, ये सब डिफरेंसेस अगर आप अपने लाइफ में लाओगे तो काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ता है उससे. और जो बोलते हैं कि टाइम नहीं है, मुझे समझ में आता है. इट इज़ नॉट ईजी इन टूडेज टाइम टू स्पेशली इफ यू आर लीडिंग अ वेरी हेक्टिक लाइफ, बट आधा घंटा सुबह पहले उठ जाइए या आधा घंटा लेट सोइए, ताकि आपको वो बेसिक आधे घंटे का वर्कआउट मिल सके, जिसमें आप बेसिक स्ट्रेचिंग या बेसिक योगा आप कुछ कर सकें. फॉर मी एक गोल था पुशअप्स का, जो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड विद माय फिटनेस जर्नी आई कुडंट इवन डू वन पुशअप. तो वो तो अचीव हो गया है, बट समथिंग दैट हैज बीन ऑन माय लिस्ट इज डूइंग पुल-अप्स. वो अभी तक नहीं हो पाया है, सो दैट इज माय गोल. एंड डूइंग हेड स्टैंड्स. I have been working on headstands, but unfortunately recently I kind of got a shoulder spasms which has still not recovered. तो मैं वेट कर रही हूँ रिकवरी का. That is also very important. एक्सरसाइज करें, एफर्ट दें, लेकिन listen to your body also. If your body is not allowing you, if you are too sore, if you are not 100% with working out on a certain day, it's okay. Don't beat yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. Give your body the required rest, because अगर हम अपनी बॉडी का ख्याल नहीं रखेंगे, अपनी बॉडी की नहीं सुनेंगे, and if we push it, that is going to be detrimental as well. I think my biggest support is my family and my friends. You know, they always are very, very motivating. They are always like, come on Sonam, you can do this, and they are always there ke ha Sonam, if you put your mind to something, you will be able to achieve it. So my husband Ashish Vaghani, my trainer Azad Singh has been you know, really, really helpful. And I follow quite a few accounts on Instagram. So my friends Zui and Renuka, so they are my gym buddies. So even if we don't meet at the gym, we always make sure that we discuss कि हमारा workouts कैसे हो रहा है, and you know, how our basically fitness journey is going. And also my sister-in-law Devyani Vaghani, she is into yoga as well. And rather मुझे yoga के बारे में I got pushed into, not pushed into yoga, but I got introduced to Ashtanga yoga through her. She is really good with her practice, so she is also somebody who inspires me a lot. I think you guys are doing an incredible job at motivating people like us who are fitness enthusiasts, but we don't belong to the fitness industry. You guys kind of pick us up and motivate us by kind of how do I put this? You guys are doing a very good job in terms of motivating people like us who are not from the industry, who are fitness enthusiasts, and I really thank you guys for having me on your channel and doing this interview. I want to wish you guys the very best. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video and if you want to promote yourself and motivate others, you can connect with us. To connect, you can find all the details in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. To subscribe to my channel, click here, and to watch our previous videos, you can click here. Thank you so much.